So after yesterday's bloodshed, I wanted to revisit GameStop. And upon revisiting the chart, by the way, this is the logarithmic scale chart. It just gives me better clarity as it shows how drastic the moves up and down are relative to the past. And yesterday we obviously saw bloodshed, but upon second viewing, I compared last time around, this fell more. The drop here was more than the drop here from yesterday. Number two, I can't see many people entering short from these levels, especially when they take a look at this chart. Sure, yesterday was prone to that considering it was the day after earnings, but I just cannot envision retail just going out there and shorting the stock, or most hedge funds, right? Considering how insanely risky it's proven to be to enter short. So couple that with just look at this. This is a perfect trend line. It's been respected time and again. Look at this, including yesterday, right? So this is obviously, here we go, the market just opened. This is obviously a strong case for support. If this is broken, this is 212 will be my area of exit for my stop loss. And I will look to re-enter again, either at this level or right here at the 150-day moving average, because my thesis on GameStop hasn't changed. I'm still very bullish on it. Now, going back to the technicals, the trend line is absolutely perfect. The bullish flag pattern, look at this bull flag pattern. You can't ask for anything better. I mean, just perfection. And so all of those things mentioned, we should see lower selling pressure. Obviously, we're under some pressure now, well, about 0.5% down, 1% down. But also the news from the ER was mostly bullish. I mean, Ryan Cohen was confirmed as chairman, right? And the new CEO hired, who hopefully won't be a total dud like the outgoing CEO. Both he and the new CFO are from Amazon, right? And of course, the big gamma squeeze we were all waiting for. So all those reasons keep me super bullish on this stock. It'll be super interesting to see how it trades these next couple of weeks. All right, guys, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, drop a like and a comment below if you have any questions. Peace out.